Welcome back to Quiz Nebula TV. It's time to test your dog knowledge with 25 exciting questions. Can you beat the challenge and get a perfect score? Let's get started. Can you guess which dog was bred to pull sleds? Siberian Husky was bred to pull sleds across snowy landscapes. Which breed is famous for its yodel-like bark? Basenji is famous for making a unique yodel-like sound instead of barking. Do you know which dog has a naturally blue tongue? Chow Chow is well known for its distinctive blue-black tongue. Which breed is easy to recognize by its egg-shaped head? Bull Terrier stands out with its unusual egg-shaped head. Which dog has a coat that looks like thick mop cords? Commandor has a remarkable coat that forms long mop-like cords. Ready for a race? Which dog is the fastest? Greyhound is the fastest dog breed in the world. Which breed stands the tallest? Irish Wolfhound is one of the tallest dog breeds ever developed. Can you identify the ancient dog that lived with the Aztecs? Xoloitzcuintli was a treasured companion of the ancient Aztecs. Which hardworking breed once helped fishermen at sea? Portuguese water dog helped fishermen retrieve nets and carry messages. Which dog is legendary for tracking missing people? Bloodhound has one of the most powerful tracking noses on earth. Which breed's name means sandskin? Chinese Shao Pei gets its name from words meaning sandskin. Which elegant hound was bred to chase gazelles? Saluki was bred for chasing swift prey like gazelles. Can you name the giant guardian of Tibetan monasteries? Tibetan Mastiff protected monasteries high in the Himalayas. Which dog has webbed feet for powerful swimming? Newfoundland has webbed feet that make it an excellent swimmer. Which hunting breed was specially developed to track otters? otter hound was specially bred to hunt elusive otters? Which dog can naturally be hairless? Chinese Crested is famous for its naturally hairless variety. Which tiny breed was once trusted to guard temples? Lhasa Apso once served as a loyal guardian inside Tibetan temples. Which adorable dog is known for its butterfly-shaped ears? Papillon gets its name from its beautiful butterfly-like ears. Which royal breed once lived in luxurious palaces? Shih Tzu spent centuries living in the palaces of Chinese emperors. Which dog is famous for its tightly curled tail? Shiba Inu is instantly recognizable by its curled tail. Which breed grows long, thick corded fur? Puli grows a thick corded coat that resembles dreadlocks. Which giant breed has held records as the tallest dog? Great Dane has earned multiple records as the world's tallest dog. Can you spot the dog that actually blushes? Pharaoh hound can blush as its nose and ears turn rosy when excited. Which breed's name means monkey terrier? Affenpinscher literally means monkey terrier in German. Finally, which dog points by barking instead of freezing? Finnish Spitz alerts hunters by repeatedly barking at game. Challenge complete. Share your score below, like, subscribe, and join Quiz Nebula TV for more fun dog quizzes.